Welcome back to Truck Spotting Great Lakes. We're in Atlanta, Georgia right now. Just about to get on to Interstate 20. We're on the roundabout of the Interstate 285 right now. And I would say it's a beautiful day, but it looks like it's going to be raining. But I'll take rain any day than that snow. It's nice outside. It's I like the fact that the trees still have some leaves on it. They may be different colors, but there's a lot of them that are still green. And that's the thing about coming down south. You there's spots where the leaves just don't fully go away. Farther than down south you go, the fact that the leaves don't go away, so that's a good thing. Window for you. Hope you like and subscribe to this channel. Get yourself a snack, a drink, sit back and relax. See what happens. We're only half a mile from the 20, so it won't take long before we're on the 20. I don't know why there's so much traffic here. No idea why. Maybe an accident. I don't. At this time of the morning, actually, it's not even morning. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. Shouldn't be backed up like this. Maybe in another hour. But right now, well, it is what it is. My uncle used to say that all the time. It is what it is. He even said it when he found out he had cancer. It is what it is. My Uncle Chris. Miss him. Miss all my family that passed away. But that is life. You live, then you die. It's what you make in between is what counts. Your memories and all that stuff too. Really close to Christmas, or maybe it's already Christmas is already over. I'm not too sure when you guys are going to see this video or this episode. We're on our way to South Carolina, pick up a load of chicken, fresh chicken. Only thing I hate about those places is that the smell of these slaughterhouses. That I don't care for. Even my dog, I swear she can sense that the death in that place. So see, this guy here, he just didn't want to wait, so he was just figuring he'll just sneak up like this. I swear to God, these people should be fined for that kind of stuff. And then he kind of brake checks me. Alright, so now we're just about to get on to the 20. my load last night, pretty late. I was supposed to be there for 11 o'clock at night. I got there at like 10, quarter after 10. And gave them all the information, and then I sat in the truck, fell asleep for maybe a half hour. Then they called me and told me what door to go into. Then back to the door, and then they started unloading me, and they were supposed to call me. So 3 o'clock in the morning, I wake up, I drag my feet out over to the or the receiving place, and got my paperwork. Dragged my butt back, slowly moved over to the parking spot. I had to keep it under 5 miles an hour or my logbook would kick in, and I didn't want to do that. So, backed it in to a spot, tried to go back to sleep. Those days, those kind of deliveries are very long because you're expecting a phone call, or you're expecting to be woken up, or whatever. To me, they're long. I don't get that proper sleep. And, yeah, care for that, but hey, it is my job, and my job requires doing things like that. I'm just starting to get too bloody old for that, though. When I was younger, like, I've been driving truck for 24 years, and when I was younger, I was able to, jump right out of bed, within 5 minutes be in the driver's seat and driving down the road. Like, stop and take a nap type deal, and then get up and go. I find myself now waking up, having to wake up for a full hour, skirting around YouTube and everything else, trying to fully wake up before I get behind the wheel. I used to be able to drive at night. Driving at night is the best time because there's no traffic. You can get places a lot better. Well, it depends on where you are. If you're down south, or depends on the season too, I guess you could say. If you're in Canada in the wintertime, driving at night is not a good thing to do because, well, when it's at night, the roads, everything gets colder and colder, and if the roads were a little wet, then they're icy by the time, nighttime comes along and all that fun stuff. But if the ideal time is spring, summer, and fall, and you can just get up, say 9 o'clock at night or whatever, and drive. You don't run into any kind of traffic. No one in the cities. They're all gone to bed, or there's a few people out, and you can get places a lot better. And then when you go to finally stop, you don't have a problem trying to figure out what truck stop you can park at, or if there's any spots, because there's plenty of spots. Everybody's leaving at that time in the morning. But now I just can't do that with the way I am now. It's just, I don't know. I can't drive at night anymore. Like, I can't drive all night. I try to sleep during the night and work during the day because I have a hard time sleeping during the day. My body just, I try to sleep during the day, but I just constantly awake, and then get another hour of sleep, and then awake for a half hour, 45 minutes, go back to sleep, maybe get an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, and then back up again, and just don't get that sleep. I don't know, maybe it's just because I'm getting old or something, I don't know. Don't know. Toronto to Winnipeg, Manitoba, and then down to Michigan with another load, and then back up to Ontario. And then I grabbed a load, went straight down to Atlanta, Georgia. And yeah, that all in week and a half. Not even a week and a half. Or over a week. No, I left Friday. So all that in just over a week. Sorry. I was delivering my load in Winnipeg on Tuesday. I left Friday, delivered my load on Tuesday. Picked up a load Tuesday? No, picked up my load Wednesday. Went down into, from Winnipeg all the way down into Michigan. Delivered it, grabbed another load from there, brought it to our yard in London. Grabbed this trailer and took off, and I was delivered that last night at Sunday night. Now it's Monday, and I'm on my way into South Carolina to pick up a load of chicken. So all that in just over a week. But see, I'm not getting paid per mile. I'm getting paid a percentage on a load. I'm not going to tell you the percentage, but I am getting paid. It's almost like I'm an owner-operator, minus the owning of the truck and paying for the repairs and the fuel. Minus the fact that this is a company truck. So, sorry, I'm rambling on. It's just so close to Christmas. This is the 9th of December. I'm trying to get as much as I can done, because this will be the last paycheck before Christmas. So I'm trying to get whatever. We're planning on going to AC/DC in Detroit. We were thinking about going to AC/DC in Vegas, but the time to going into Vegas, it would have been quite a bit of money just in airfare. It wasn't a cheap time. So, and we have my lovely little dog here, so we only live like an hour away from Detroit, so we'll go to Detroit and go see AC/DC. And that's the Christmas present. So, it's gonna be a good time. I love my AC/DC, but I've never seen them in live, seen them in a concert. So, and they're all getting, up there in age. So, let's get it done now, right? Missed out on a lot of them bands that I would have loved to see or seen, but they passed away. I would love to have seen Michael Jackson. That I would have loved to see. So rambling on. With that, I hope you enjoyed the video, me rambling on, and catch you on the next one. Be safe. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.